Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. This short video is aiming at introducing you with the O levels new paper pattern. Today I will discuss paper 2, which is now writing paper. And in writing paper section A, we have directed writing. Now, what is the new thing in this directed writing? That this time we will be given two different texts to read, and after reading these two texts we will be responding to the questions which will follow. So mostly these texts have contradictory ideas. One is in favor of something and the other is in against of something. So the basic element where you are going to write, it is going to be a type of persuasive or argumentative writing. So this is paper 2, which is now writing paper. This is section A, directed writing. Look at the question, read both text and then answer the questions that follow. So these are the two texts, short texts. You will read them, you will scan the text for the information given in it, and then using that information and your own opinion you are going to respond. And what type of questions can be asked to you? Let's have a look on it. Question number 1 is write a speech for a debate with your class about testing medicines and cosmetics on animal. So this is a question based on these two texts. You can have a clear look on it. Let me adjust it. Okay, so here you are going to focus on these two bullet points in your speech. What does this say? That evaluate the ideas and opinion in both texts. The second bullet point demands that give your own views based on what you have read about animal testing. So these are the two bullet points which we have to focus on, and then base your article on what you have read in both texts, but be careful to use your own words. Address both of the bullet points. Write about 250 to 350 words, and look at the division of the marks, that the 10 marks are available for the content of your answer, and up to 15 marks are available for the quality of your writing. So this is section 1, directed writing. In directed writing you have to write a speech, but this speech will be based on the text which I have just shown you. Now look at section B, which is composition. In section B, composition, you have to answer only one question out of 4 questions. Now look at the division of the marks. Here you have to write between 350 to 450 words, and 10 marks are available for the content and structure of your answer, and up to 15 marks are for the style and accuracy. So there are more marks for your language this time. So I'm going to either write some descriptive writing. These are 2 descriptive writing tasks. The marks, each question carries 25 marks. So we are going to choose one question out of all. See that it's one is in the bold form. So 2 are descriptive writing and then 2 are narrative writing. There used to be an argumentative question, but it's not there. That has been now included in the directed writing section. So narrative writing, you have to write a story based on a line given, or you have to write a story based on some situation. So this is a structure of your paper 2, which is now directed writing. In my next video I will discuss the other paper 1, which is now reading paper. I hope you are quite aware of this new paper pattern. The total marks for this paper are 50. They used to be 60 before, but now each section has equal weightage. Directed writing is for 50 marks and composition section is also for 50 marks. So I'm sure that you are now fully aware and adapted to this type of new pattern, and I will be waiting for your good comments and your more queries. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.